Windows Surge crashing, freezing, or not working on Windows 11? Here are 3 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us by buying our team a coffee for our work. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is run the SFC and DISM scans on your PC. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press enter. After the scan finishes, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press enter. Wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues every day. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reset the search using Terminal. Right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Copy-paste this command from the description of this video and press enter to run it. After it finishes running, restart your PC. Method 3. Another thing you can do is edit the Windows registry to fix the issue. Press the Windows +R keys to open Run. Type regedit and press enter. Navigate to hkey_software/software/Windows/current version/search. Right-click on search and select export. Save it anywhere you want. This will create a backup for it in case anything wrong happens after the next step. After you have taken a backup, right-click on the search key and select delete. Restart your PC and then check if the issue persists. In case you see other problems after the restart, simply restore the key from the backup you had created. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.